What's the meaning of caucus? Caucus. Caucus.
Caucus. Caucus. Caucus refers to a private meeting or gathering of members from a particular political party or group, held to discuss policies, elect candidates, and make decisions related to the party's agenda. In the United States, caucuses are often held during presidential nomination contests and are used to select delegates who will attend the party's national convention. The result of a caucus is the selection of delegates who support a particular candidate for the party's nomination. This process is usually more informal and involves a smaller group of voters than a primary election. The outcome of a caucus can have a significant impact on the momentum and viability of a candidate's campaign, as it can determine how many delegates they have heading into the national convention.